In an increasingly digital world, churches and nonprofits need modern tools to manage donations, engage their communities, and support operational efficiency. Tithely is a powerful, cloud based giving and church management platform designed specifically for faith based organizations and nonprofits. It offers a suite of tools that online giving, donor tracking, event management, communication, and more, all in one easy to use platform. Whether you're a small local church or a large ministry with multiple campuses, Tightly simplifies giving and church engagement, making it easier to connect with your members and support your mission. In this video, we'll walk you through Tightly's key features and explain why it's an effective platform and why it's a great choice for your nonprofits and grow your community in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the online and mobile giving. Tightly enables secure and flexible giving through multiple channels, including your website, mobile app, text to give, and kiosks. Donors can set up one time or recurring donations, and the system accepts credit cards, debit cards, and ACH transfers. This increases donation convenience and consistency, allowing your members to give anytime, anywhere, leading to stronger and more reliable financial support. Another key feature is the donor management and reporting. The platform includes robust donor tracking tools that allow you to view giving history, generate reports, and manage donor communications. You can export data for accounting and send personalized thank you messages. This simplifies financial tracking and fosters stronger donor relationships by making it easy to acknowledge gifts and maintain transparency. Another key feature is the text to give. With Tightly's text to give feature, donors can give in seconds by sending a simple text message with a dollar amount to a custom church number. Once set up, repeat giving takes only a few taps. This offers a fast, user friendly way to give during services or on the go, especially helpful for spontaneous giving moments. Another key feature is the custom church app and website builder. Tightly offers tools to build a branded mobile app and church website without needing technical expertise. You can include sermons, announcements, giving options, event registration, and more. This enhances your church's digital presence, centralizes communication, and provides an easy way for members to stay connected and involved. Another key feature is the event registration and ticketing. Manage church events, conferences, and gatherings with Tightly's built-in registration and ticketing tools. You can collect attendee information, process payments, and track RSVPs. This streamlines event planning and allows for better attendance tracking and engagement with your community. Another key feature is the email and messaging tools. Tightly's messaging features let you send bulk emails or texts to your congregation. You can segment messages by group or schedule announcements ahead of time for events. volunteer needs, or prayer alerts. This improves communication by ensuring your congregation is informed, encouraged, and connected throughout the week. Another key feature is the church management system. Tithely's full-featured church management system helps with member tracking, volunteer scheduling, small group management, and pastoral care. It integrates seamlessly with giving tools to provide a full picture of each member's engagement. This centralizes member data and supports ministry growth by helping leaders organize and nurture their community more effectively. So, why is Tithely a great choice? Tithely is designed with the unique needs of churches and nonprofits in mind. Unlike general donation platforms, it combines giving tools with a full suite of communication, event, and member management features. This means you don't have to juggle multiple systems or tools. Tightly brings everything under one roof. Its user-friendly interface, customizable branding, and mobile-first design make it easy for both staff and members to use. Tightly's focus on automation, like recurring giving and scheduled communications, also saves valuable administrative time and increases engagement and generosity among donors. Whether you're just getting started with digital giving or looking to upgrade your church's technology stack, Tightly offers the scalability and support to grow your ministry. Its transparent pricing and church focused support team make it an approachable and trusted solution for thousands of churches and nonprofits worldwide. So basically, Tightly is more than a giving tool. It's a comprehensive platform that empowers churches and nonprofits to manage donations, communicate effectively, and build stronger communities. With features like online and mobile giving, donor tracking, event registration, and full church management capabilities, Tightly helps ministries streamline their operations and focus on what matters most, serving people and fulfilling their mission. So start using Tightly today to simplify your workflow, inspire generosity, and grow your impact. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.